everyone, it's Laynie and welcome to my channel. Good morning, how are you guys doing today? I hope your day is off to a great start. I wanted to pop on and do a super quick little video and just share a product update with you that I've been testing out that I'm just not loving. So if you enjoy makeup content, fragrance content, and lifestyle content, make sure you click that subscribe button, join the fam, you will not regret it. Now let's roll on into my thoughts on the Loreal Age Perfect Tinted Balm. Alright, let's go. So I just have my skincare on today and I'm not going to go in with any primers or anything like that because I really want you guys to see what this looks like on my skin. I picked this up all because Taylor Wynn, I'm pretty obsessed with her channel. I watch a lot of her makeup videos. She's kind of my go-to makeup person now, the one that I feel like I listen to the most, I watch the most, and she talked about how much she really liked this Age Perfect Tinted Balm, and I was like, okay, I'm getting not up there, but I'm in my 30s now, so my skin needs are different and what I'm looking for in my foundation is a bit different. I really like thin products that give me some coverage, even me out. I really want blurring my pores if possible, and things that aren't going to make me look older than I am, because I have found that anything that sits heavy on my skin will really emphasize those fine lines I am getting. This does claim to have skincare benefits, which is a nice little added bonus to any foundation product or face product. It's supposed to firm your skin over time, never a bad thing. It's supposed to smooth lines, conceal imperfections, and even tone. So I do love that aspect of it, and it wasn't super cheap. Let me check the price for you guys. $16.99. I do mainly shop drugstore now. I feel like the drugstore has really improved their makeup game. I used to be all about high end, but now I'm pretty into drugstore and I kind of stick with it. I'm gonna go in with my complexion blender brush by Real Techniques. I do feel like the drugstore has really improved their products, but they've also upped their prices, so I mean we are paying for those product improvements. And I'm gonna do one side first just so you can see what it looks like. I'm gonna go in solely with the brush. I have done my fingers with this, which does obviously make a nice application. I do believe fingers are almost always the best application of foundations, but I just don't like getting my hands dirty, so I very rarely do that. I'm going to drag it down just a little bit. I am in the shade, what shade is this? Does it say? Does it say? Light 20. I do still have a little bit of color from the summer. We're on the tail end of summer now. Okay, let's zoom in and I will give you my quick thoughts here. So if you want to see my skin like you're here with me, my camera does film in 4K. You can up your quality of the video in the settings, but this is up close and personal. This is no primer. This is without anything, and this is with it. You guys, I'm sorry, my lighting is doing something weird now. I see it. I'm so sorry. I don't know how to fix that part. But can you tell by my face my thoughts? I said I want things that are light wearing on the skin so they don't, you know, emphasize aging. But like, I want some coverage. If you want like very au naturel, basically look like you're not wearing anything, this would do it. In my opinion, it's just not enough. It's obviously not like ugly on the skin or anything. It is extremely light on the skin. You don't feel it. It maybe barely blurred my pores, but really, like, honestly, I could go out of the house right now with half my face done and I don't think anyone would know that I even have something on half my face. Now again, depending on how little you want it to look like you're wearing makeup, this might be a product for you, but I need a little more than that. I feel like really all this did was kind of even out my skin tone, like where I have some discoloration, where there's some variations in my skin tone. It kind of canceled out a bit of redness around my nose. We did have my brother's funeral yesterday, so I definitely am a little red and aggravated from all of the tears, but anyways, to keep this on a positive note. So, I mean, it did a little something, and I didn't go in with like a ton of product because I don't want it to start feeling heavy or cakey on my skin. It's just not enough for me, you guys. I am going to quickly throw on the products I've been using over top so you can get the whole jazz, the whole feel for it. We'll speed through it. So obviously, like, it does not look bad at all. I feel like with other products it looks beautiful. My issue is the product alone. I just feel like, honestly, the other products are carrying this product. Now again, if you want something that is extremely light coverage, just gives you a little bit of gentle improvement from your natural self, you may really love this product. I just feel like I cannot justify $17 on a product that basically looks like I'm not wearing it at all. Does it sit beautifully with other products? Yes. This Infallible powder works wonderfully over top, and I feel like, honestly, this is what carries this product. This is a powder foundation, so there's coverage in there. It's not a translucent powder. So yes, everything when it comes together is beautiful. I don't feel like, oh my gosh, I can't leave the house in this. Like, I feel like I look pretty, my skin looks nice. I just feel like it's not giving me enough, and it's really not worth $17. There are products that are cheaper that give you better coverage than this bad boy right here. This video was really short and sweet, but I hope that's okay with you guys. Let me know down below, have you used this product? What are your thoughts? I seriously would love to hear from you, and I know everybody else in our community would as well. So yeah, that is all for today. Thank you guys for being here, and as always, please try to stay positive, because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.